Hi, it's Tommy here from CTH. I really hope that you've been enjoying all our CTH Spotlight films and that you've been finding them useful. For number 5 in the series, we're heading over to the incredible city of Auckland in New Zealand. We'll be talking to CTH graduate Manish Baungally, who's the head concierge at the Crowne Plaza Hotel. He'll be telling us about his role, some of his achievements up till now, what he loves about the hospitality industry, and much more. So let's go over and talk to Manish.
I studied CTH Diploma in Hospitality Management. After completing my studies, I started as a room attendant at Crowne Plaza, Auckland. From there, I moved to front office as concierge, and then as a team leader, and then today I'm the head concierge of Crowne Plaza, Auckland. It make me feel very proud to wear those golden keys on my lapel. It's one of my greatest achievements so far. It's a precious group of concierges around the world and represent knowledge and represent service through friendship. So I feel really proud wearing those golden keys today. The passion I have for hospitality is what encourages me every day. Coming to work, wearing those golden keys on my lapel, welcoming my guests to the hotel, making sure they have a pleasant stay, and making sure they leave with a great experience. Every part of CTH I studies has been very helpful for me at Crowne Plaza, Auckland. One of the most important as a leader is human resource management, which I use every day. My favorite memories are when a guest comes back to us, express his or her happiness about the service they receive. When they leave with a satisfaction, that is my favorite moment. In New Zealand, Seek is one of the greatest tools that we use to look for jobs. However, I also find LinkedIn a great tool as well. If you want to work in the hospitality industry, get your CTH now.
Well, big thanks to Manish and to our friends at the Crowne Plaza Hotel. I hope you enjoyed watching the film and it's giving you some ideas. Who knows? Maybe someday you'll take your CTH qualification and work in New Zealand as well. See you soon for the next CTH Spotlight film. Have a good day.